In 1924, the Schaedler family embarked on an adventure with a new technology and a goal to support their employees and their community. Over a century later, Schaedler Yesco Distribution is still innovating to bring electrical solutions to contractors, manufacturers, hospitals, educational institutions, warehouses, communities, and many more. And we're growing with new programs, new products, new locations, and new ideas to help our customers be more profitable and more productive. Our employee owners include some of the best and brightest. From material handling to project management and every role in between, we're proud that our customers experience the difference when they choose Schaedler Yesco. We're honored to be nationally recognized as a top workplace in multiple categories and invite you to join the team that works hard and goes home happy.